what's our next topic? So we already know refundable and non-refundable deposits, and I last time I promised that I'm going to talk Norwegian Cruise Line because they have a sale until July 21st. And what date is it now? July 18th? It's fast, right? So what do you want to know? Probably before I go to the explanation of the packages um, about free at sea and free at sea plus. I would like to talk to you about the new fleet, and they call it the Norwegian Prima class. I don't have videos right now because right now I'm in the park. I'm waiting for my Zumba class to begin. It's so I don't have any videos to show you, and also I'm just starting to learn this stuff. Norwegian Prima class, there are 3 ships. One is the Norwegian Aqua. Second is Norwegian Luna that set sail March of this year. And then next one is Norwegian Aura, which is coming in 2027. So what's the difference? This new fleet, they have more space per passenger, and it was said that it's gonna be 36% more space, and this fleet usually goes in Bermuda, Bahamas, and the Caribbean. So I see an itinerary. So usually it's coming from Miami and Port Canaveral, which is Orlando, Florida. So they will embark in Miami, and then round trip to Bermuda, to the Bahamas, Puerto Plata, Tortola, and St. Thomas. So what is something new about the Norwegian cruise line, or the Norwegian Prima class? So there is going to be 3 new specialty restaurants and bar. The first one is the first Thai specialty restaurant. They call it Sukhothai. The second is the Plattery, which is the plant-based restaurant, and it's a specialty restaurant. So, and the swirl bar is more of an upscale wine bar. Other fine dining that is included, not included, okay. So these are extras. So any fine dining specialty restaurants, they're not included with your fare. So one is the Le Bistro, which is the French restaurant and a fine dining. Second is the Hasuki, Japanese restaurant. I think this one is the teppanyaki restaurant. The Nama sushi restaurant called Nama. Steakhouse, Cagney's, they call it Cagney's. Then Mexican restaurant, Los Lobos, and the Italian restaurant called Onda by Scarpit. So you said, okay, I know what's refundable and non-refundable. How much am I going to spend on my refundable deposit? Which usually with Norwegian is right now it's 470. But if I buy a cruise, what will be included? So when you choose a cabin, for example, you want balcony, ocean view balcony. So the price that will be quoted to you will be the price per person based on double occupancy. So when I say the price of the balcony for 7 nights cruise is 1,500, that is because it's assuming that you're going to be in the same suite with another adult. So if you don't have an adult for example, you're going with your daughter for like 15 years old, so she's going to be considered an adult. Okay, so that it's always a two-person occupancy. So the price that you will get is per person for and that is each if with another adult in your stateroom. So what is included in that? So it includes your stateroom, everything in there. You have your free towels, you have your accessory no free toiletries in the bathroom. Sometimes there's a robe and sleepers, and if there's a balcony, you will have an extra space. You have one small table and two chairs. So if you're going on a double occupancy, either you will have two twin beds or one queen bed. So another inclusion is your complimentary dining. One is the Hudson's, which is the main dining room that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Then the second is the Commodore, which is also a main dining room, and it's offering a fine dining experience. The third one is Indulge Food Hall. I think this is the buffet, and they have different stations. It's mostly self-service, and they have a grab-and-go service for breakfast. Then the local bar and grill that is in Ocean Boulevard, and the Surfside Cafe, which is on deck 17. So anything that you see on the menu that I usually say that there's no dollar sign on it, that means it's it's not included. You have to pay extra. But usually you will have a glass of water, or anything that they serve to you will be free, will be complimentary. But sometimes I say, just ask if it's included. Then if not, then they will just add it to your account and to your stateroom that you will have to settle at the end of your cruise. Um, so, but anything that you'd order, for example, you want a glass of wine, you want a bottled water, you want a canned soft drinks, you want mocktails, or you want specialty coffee, for example, you want espresso, you want cappuccino, that one is an extra charge.